So now let's go add a few other things. Let's go back to my project tab. I have a picture here. So let's say you wanted to add a picture. I'm going to add a picture right to the end of this. So I treat this just like a video clip. I can just click and drag it down if I wanted to. Starting the timeline, I could have double clicked to bring it up here, and with a still picture there's no movement, so it doesn't really matter where your in and out point is, so it's probably just better for pictures just to drag it down, but just to show you, you can treat it just like a video clip. So I now have a still picture of clouds there. Let's say I wanted to add some music to this. Again, I have some music in here. I can just click and drag it to the timeline, and at this point it's just treating it like video again. I can trim off all this extra stuff, so I go to my razor blade, click at the very end, go to my selection tool, select the extra audio, and then hit delete. So if I hit play, there we go, I have audio. Now what's really cool is you can see the audio waveform right now, but if I were to hover my mouse over where this A2, this kind of lighter gray area, and then use the scroll wheel on my mouse, as I scroll it makes the audio larger so I can see the waveform. So if there's a specific place you wanted to cut, especially if you're editing interviews or anything like that, this really helps you to see the timeline. And then what you could do is at this point, so we've expanded the audio, you can then zoom into your timeline. See the scroll bar down at the bottom? If you click and drag the edge of it left or right, you can zoom in by dragging it left or zoom out by dragging it right. So if you really need to see exactly where the audio waveforms are starting and stopping to help you edit audio, you can do that with this program. So again, to see that, I simply hover my mouse over this area on the audio track and just use the scroll wheel on my mouse to go up and down. So that's one way. And then to zoom in on the timeline itself, I just clicked and dragged the edge of the scroll bar. Left zooms in, right zooms out, and so on.